Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is again based on coordinate geometry. In our previous video we learned the basics of coordinate geometry, about different quadrants, about x-axis, y-axis and the symbols of these quadrants. In this equation we will learn that how to represent the given linear equations graphically. Okay, this all we will learn through one example. Here the question is given, solve x plus y is equal to 4 and x minus y is equal to 2 graphically. Okay, so we have to solve these two equations and we have to find the solution of these given equations graphically. If we will solve these equations without using this method, then what will be the solution? Let's see. This is x plus y is equal to 4 and this is x minus y is equal to 2. If we will add these two, then this will be cancelled. We will get 2x is equal to 6. So x will be equal to 3. And by substituting this value of x in this, we will simply get y will be 4 minus 3, that is 1. So this will be the solution of these given equations. But instead of solving like this, we have to solve graphically. So for this, what we need to do? First of all, we will make the tables for these given equations. Here I am making the table for this equation and here I will make the table for this equation. X minus y is equal to 2. Okay, so let's do. Now x plus y is equal to 4. If I will put the value of x is 0, then what will be the value of y? It will be 4. Now, if I will put value of y is 0, then what will be x? X will be equal to 4. Okay. Now we can keep any value. Let's take x is equal to 1. Then what will be y? Y will be equal to 4 minus 1. That is 3. Okay. This means the points to be plotted will be 0, 4, 4, 0 and 1, 3. For this given equations, there can be many more points that we can take. Okay. Now, x minus y is equal to 2. Now we will make the table for this equation. So let's take again x is equal to 0. Then what will be y? Y will be equal to minus 2. Now, let's take y is equal to 0. If I will take y is equal to 0, if I will keep 0 here, then what will be the value of x? It will be 2. Okay. Now you can take any other value. You can take like x is equal to 1 I have taken. So 1 minus y is equal to 2. So what will be the value of y? It will be minus y will be equal to 2 minus 1 or 1. So y will be minus 1. Or simply from here we can get what value of y we will keep to get 2? Minus 1. So 1 minus minus 1. It is 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. Okay, so the value of y will be minus 1. This means the points to be plotted will be 0, minus 2, 2, 0 and 1 minus 1. Okay. Now let's plot these points. Now the first thing is, this you all know that here the x will be positive, here it will be negative. Here the y will be positive, here it will be negative. Now let's begin from the first equation. 0 and 4. This means x is equal to 0, this is 0 and y is equal to 4. Means x is 0, on y axis we will move till here, this is 4. So this is the point 0, 4. Okay. Now 4, 0. Now x is equal to 4, both are positive. So it will be in the first quadrant only. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0. Okay, this means on the x axis. Here this point will lie. Now the third one is 1 and 3. X is equal to 1. This is 1 and y is equal to 3. This means it will be here 1 and 3. So we will draw line by using these 3 points. So let's draw. Let's join these 3 points and draw a line. If you will do this question on graph, then you will get the exact point. Okay. So this is the graph for the first equation, that is x plus y is equal to 4. Now similarly, we will draw the graph, we will draw the line for the another equation, x minus y is equal to 2. Here the points are 0, minus 2. So what is the value of x is? X is 0, okay, and y is minus 2. Where will be y? Y, this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis, plus y, minus y. So x is 0, y is minus 2, means here this point will be this side, downwards. Now second is 2, 0, both are positive, 2, but x is 2, y is 0. This means the point will be here. Okay. Now the third one, 1, minus 1. 1 is plus 1. Okay. And this is minus 1. This means it is y. Y is minus 1. So this is 1 and this is minus 1. It will lie somewhere here. This means these are the 3 points which we need to join. So let's join and extend this line. If we will join these 3 points, see. This means now this is the graph, this is the line for another equation, that is x minus y is equal to 2. Okay. So let's check where these two lines are intersecting, at which point. If we will see, then these 2 points are, these 2 lines are intersecting at this point. And what is this? What is the value of x here? 3. What is the value of y here? 1. This is nothing but, I am just drawing a dotted line. Okay. So here the value of x is 3, value of y is 1. So by this method, we can find out the solutions of any given equations. You can see that these 2 lines are intersecting at one point. This means for these given equations, the solution will be unique. We will have only one solution or a unique solution. And what is the solution of these given equation? It is 3, 1. Or we can say x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. This is the same that we get by this method. Okay. Now, whenever 2 lines are intersecting, always remember that the equations will have only one and one unique solution. Whenever these lines, suppose we are drawing the graph for any given equation like this, and then we are drawing the graph for the another equation and the points are coincide on each other. This means what? One line is overlapping on the another line, means that will have infinite number of solution. Infinite solution. This means whenever the graph of 2 given equations coincide on each other, or we can say overlap on each other, or one line is on another line, this means those equations will have infinite solution. Whenever 2 lines intersecting at a point, those equations will have unique solution. And whenever the graph for 2 equations looks like this, parallel lines, this means the given equations will have no solution, because these lines will never intersect each other. So the no solution will be there for those equations. Okay. So you need to practice these type of questions, then only you will understand this topic in deep. Okay. So I hope you understood that how to solve the given equations graphically. What you need to do, first of all, you need to make the table for the given equations. In the table, you can put any value of your choice. Always start from 0, 1, 2 and so on. First you will put the value of x 0, then 1, then 2 and you will get the value of y. Similarly for the another equation, then just mark the points to be plotted and then draw the line and you will get the solution. Okay. So I hope that now you understood this topic. That's all for today's video. Thank you. Have a nice day.